Hi, welcome to Mind Method and Meaning. This is a method video where we focus on strategies that actually work. Today, I'll be teaching you an MCQ elimination trick to improve your accuracy in any psychology competitive exams. So, without further ado, let's get started. Today's question is alexithymia shows. This is the question, and that's it. And I really have no idea what alexithymia is. Okay, so I really don't know. But let's try to decode this word alexithymia. A. In any clinical term, or by clinical I mean any abnormal psychology, clinical psychology term, more often than not, when there is A and then there is a word like thymia or ia, anything ia, say anhedonia or alexia or elogia or aphasia. So this ia is there, or there are other terms like evolution. Okay, so when you see the word and you think, you can make out that the a is like a suffix and not like just a letter in the word. For example, say a in anxiety. A in anxiety is not a suffix, it's a letter, it's just a letter. Or in autism, it's not a letter, it's not a suffix, it's a letter. But in alexithymia, it is a suffix. We can make that out, okay? And if you're not able to make that out, it's okay. It's only because you have not solved many MCQs so far. So practice will give you the skill to understand that in this word, A is the suffix, okay? So when you see the suffix A, it will 99.9% times mean the lack of something, less of something, okay? So by that logic, and going just by that logic, I will start looking at the options so as to be able to eliminate the options, okay? So lack of something will obviously not mean heightened, will obviously not mean enhanced, will obviously not mean, okay? So heightened and enhanced, it will not obviously not mean that, okay? So these two options A and C are already gone. Now let's talk about the other two options: difficulty identifying describing emotions and compulsive lying. Difficulty and lying, sorry, difficulty and compulsive. I don't know what lexithymia means. I have no idea. I have never heard this term. But just by the fact that it is less of something, I can say that compulsive versus difficulty, in this comparison, compulsive lying is lying continuously. You are doing more of lying than you would normally do, or a normal healthy person would do. You are compulsively lying. Every time you have to say something, you're lying. Every time you feel the urge to lie, you lie. But in on the other hand, difficulty identifying emotions is that even if you want to identify or you want to describe your emotion, you're not able to do that. Not able to do that. There is a lacking. Hence, I will go with the answer if the option B, which is difficulty identifying, just on the basis of this one letter suffix called A and elimination. This is how I will get. So now I will tell you if this is the right answer or not. Let's see. So as you can see, yes, it is the correct answer: difficulty identifying or describing emotions. If you think that this was a video that helped you and this is something that you would want to see more of, more elimination tricks or more MCQ tricks in general, please comment that down below and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with anybody you know is coming up with exams, and thanks for watching. Bye.